Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me REALME Q5 PRO device, and now I can show you how to record screen on this phone. Firstly, into open control panel, then find here screen recording feature. If you have no screen recording feature on your control panel, just click on edit button, find screen recorder feature here. Click and hold on it, then drag it to the upper part of your screen, and in this way you will see your screen recording feature on your control panel. Then just click on it, click continue, agree while using up, allow, and here you will see settings button. By clicking on it, you can you can set microphone mode, so you can record only phone sounds, or you can record microphone sounds too. So you can enable without microphone sounds, or with microphone sounds, or without system sounds, as you like. And then click on the red ball button, and now screen is recording. Then just click on this floating icon and click on the square button to stop screen recording. Then you will see your screen recording on your gallery. That's it. The screen is recording. Then that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.